Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of making shirts for Roblox. It's a fun and creative way to customize your avatar or even sell your designs in the marketplace. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're on the website, look for the option at the top labeled as Create and click on it. This will take you to the Roblox creation page. Now on this page, hover your mouse over the option called Learn at the top and select Overview from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Overview page, you'll see a Search Docs option. Click on that and in that search bar type in shirt. From the search results, select Classic Clothing to open the relevant section. Scroll down until you see the templates provided by Roblox for making shirts and outfits. You will notice there are templates for both the left and the right sides of your clothing. Now, right-click on the left template, choose Save Image As, and download it to your computer. This is the template you will use to create your shirt design. To edit this image and make your shirt, you can use any photo editor of your choice. Personally, I would recommend Photoshop as it's powerful and versatile. However, any software that allows you to edit images will work just fine. It's up to your choice. When editing the template, make sure you only edit the areas labeled with alphabets, as this represent the different parts of the shirt. Leave the rest of the template as it is. This ensures your design works correctly in Roblox. Once you have finished creating your design, export the file in the same format, usually PNG format. Now let's go back to roblox.com. Click on Create again, and then from the left hand panel select Creations. In the Creations menu, click on Avatar Items. Once inside, select Classics and then open the Filters menu to narrow down your options. From the drop down, choose Classic Shirts. Next, click on Upload Asset. This will bring up a new interface where you can upload the shirt design you just created. Select your file and give your shirt a name. You can also add a description if you want to provide details about your design. Once everything is ready, click on the Upload button. Keep in mind that uploading a shirt costs around 10 Robux, so make sure you have enough in your account. And that's it. You have successfully created and uploaded your custom shirt for Roblox. Now you can use it for your avatar or sell it to other players. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.